Vikas has to get off the hammock in exactly 5 seconds and he's going to get a box of Lindor chocolate from me. So let's see if he can do it. Okay Vikas, are you ready? Alright. You have to stand on your feet, Vikas.
Ready? 5, 6, 7 and go.
Chocolate. More seconds. More seconds. Come on, let's say hi to everybody over here. It's hot, okay? I don't know what is the temperature, but these guys
party kar rahe.
They are just party over here.
You know how hot it is, guys?
Yeah, it's very hot. That is
So, why are y'all sitting inside?
cool inside. See, I was busy applying sunscreen to all her body parts, the entire body.
You're done with sunscreen time?
Yeah.
This is not sponsored. Sonal, you have opened your new Sonal Beauty Parlor.
Glamping parlor.
Glamping Parlor. Oh. विकास, आपके त्वचा का राज क्या है?
Sonal parlor.
Look at him. All the boys in the comment section be like, Sonal, where's my massage?
सोना कितना सोना है.
Look at his cheeks. आज मैं ऊपर आसमां नीचे, आज मैं आगे, ज़माना है पीछे. Tell me, ओ खुदा, अब मैं क्या करूं? देख,
चलो सीधी
की उल्टी. चलू ओनली ना? चलू. What's up, guys? We are going kayaking. Guys, this is too much fun. You must do kayaking. Must try it.
Absolutely. It's too much fun.
Guys. Oh mama.
मेरे चड्डी में पानी गया.
इसके चड्डी में पानी.
गीला लग रहा है. Shit. फोन में गया. फोन क्यों लेके आई थी?
अरे wait ना. अरे बाबा, this is taking me there.
There is ground here. Don't tell me. Oh, sorry. Yeah, no, you want to get down. No, you should, no?
Yeah.
ट्राई कर ले. पुश एक नंबर.
अभी उठो कैसे?
और में दोनों यूजलेस बन रहे हैं. Absolutely useless.
This can keep me floating also.
He's come there.
Come on.
I did it.
ये ले तेरा हथियार.
Nicole, I'm coming. बन गया कंटेंट देखो, मिल गया. Hi guys, don't do kayaking if you don't know swimming.
Absolutely. It's too much fun.
ऐसे नालायक दोस्त जो लोग किसी ने मुझे हेल्प नहीं किया by the way. किसी ने नहीं. मेरे को विकास पर्टिकुलरली मेरे को बोल रहे चढ़ने की कोशिश करना. ये गिरी वापस. ये फिर से चढ़ना constantly. You were there. He's doing चढ़ना. शाहरुख चढ़ना.
So much fun.
It's so much cooler now.
Best part was Shahrukh falling. Yoshi. Fast. Fast. Wait. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Tota, Mama is cheating on you.
Mama, don't cheat. Hello. Oh, बोल भी तो मंत्र भी तो बोल.
No, it's just this. This is all. What kids I have.
Okay, so our very talented team members are planning to
Do a race, a running race. Yeah, the winner, whoever wins, can say what they want from the other 3 losers. Okay, and the losers better you win.
What is the winning criteria?
Touch करके वापस आना. Oh wow! Seriously. 3, 2. A back seat भी touch चाहिए योशिता. 3, 2, 1. Did I say go? Did I say go? I didn't say go. You have to go and go. Ready? Back touching. 2, 1, go. Come on, walk. Faster. Because cheating is allowed. Vikas is leading. Vikas! Oh, Andrea! Vikas is the champion of the
Vikas धक्का मारता है. दे दिया.
So what are you asking?
क्या चाहिए?
कुछ करा भी सकते
Yeah, dares. You can make them do dares.
हैंड ही करो तीन
Dandy.
वो टच करना
एंडी सबसे ऊपर वाली होगी. There's no doubt about
अभी
it.
भी ट्राई करते हैं. वो टच करने का थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होएगा.
I'm going. Go for it, Andy. Yoshi.
Attempt number 3 guys. 3
Go, Andy. अरे बहुत
खड़ी रहे
खड़ी हो जा.
So Andrea's attempt was quite a fail, but a good try.
Look at this champ. मैं दिखाता हूँ. मैं करके दिखाऊंगा.
तुमको 3 का सपोर्ट मिल रहा है सर.
This is the last attempt. Andrea is going back to the pavilion.
अरे straight हो. Back पीछे कर.
Yes.
Back पीछे कर. हाँ. Straight.
But full marks. 100 marks.
100 marks.
100 marks.
नजरों से अब ना हमको गिराना, मर भी गए तो भूल ना जाना.
आज का प्लान ये है कि दिस कैंप वाज अमेजिंग, लाइक अमेजिंग. So we are now going to shift to another location. This is Naach Offsite 2021 2.0. Version 2.0. Okay, version 1 was okay.
Yes guys, we finished our camp. Now we're doing a trek. This is how Team Naach rolls. On a vacation we also want to move and stay active. And Yoshita's slim figure and my slim figure and Shana's slim figure.
Just hogged chocolate, okay?
Just chocolate silk. Okay. Cadbury still we have a bag of food.
इतने strong vegan diet पे हैं आप विश्वास नहीं करोगे विश्वास.
We have a pool, we have a dining table, we have washrooms for ourselves, we have everything. We have two villas, we have AC.
Two villa.
We have two villas.
एक मेरा.
Which Vikas thinks he's going to hardpify one, but we're not going to let him. Sorry. Sonal is very busy, she's a workaholic, she's still working. But we're here to have some fun. So please enjoy the rest of this video. And if you see anything explicit, close your eyes. And don't write rubbish in the comment section. We're not interested. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time to get into the pool. Hi guys, so this is our first Dubki, okay, of this offside version 2.0. Yoshi and I are jumping. We don't know how cold the water is because kitna thanda hai pani?
थोड़ा सा.
Okay, so no back seats, Yoshi, no back seats. No. Okay, we have to go, we have to jump. Are you ready? Because you'll give the count.
Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2,
Pump first.
3.
Chalo. Alright, Sharo, say hi to the camera. Yes! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have two contenders for the Naach Olympic race. We are now going to see who is going to be the champion. On one end, we have Vikas Gorule.
All the single ladies.
And on the other end, we have Miss Sonal Devra. Time begins in 3,
2, 1, go!
Okay, Sonal is clear winner. Woohoo! We have a winner!
I am so proud of Vikas.
Vikas, that was a very good try. That was a very good try. Oh, very good. Champion spirit. Very good. Very good. Champion spirit. I like it. I like it.
Jump.
Out in the pool.
अरे गिरो नो इस जन्म में जंप नहीं किया.
Okay, sit only.
No. You're not allowed inside the pool.
1 hour later.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Jump, अरे jump.
2 hours later.
5, 6, 7, 8. Got it!
Whoa! That was not a jump, guys.
How did you feel?
Back, go out again. Get out.
Come on, we need to see a proper
You're
jump.
going out again. You're going to do a proper jump.
That was a Cinderella jump.
I'm not allowing you only to.
Arre yaar!
No. Come on, out. Out of the pool. Yes, out. Come on, you can do it.
करने में मेरे को मतलब 10 घंटे लगे.
नहीं लगेंगे.
तो अब भी करेंगे.
साथी हो मेरे साथ ही हम साथ.
5, 6, 7, 8. Back one more time. It was really better.
सी बढ़ाया बड़ा मजा.
Very good. She's gotten better. थोड़ा मतलब जोश के साथ वो कूदी.
It's gone in my full brain.
Yeah, that's the whole point. That's what you're supposed to feel. Andrea, this was much better. This was much better in terms of Josh. But now you have to get your knees to your chest.
It's the Naach swimming coach.
Please contact me.
Naach swimming coach. Contact Nicole. Numbers are generally available online.
It's beep.
After 24 hours.
24 hours later.
6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey!
What's the meaning of knees to chest? I'm speaking Japanese over here. You out again.
No.
Yes.
It was so bad.
I'm not allowing you inside the pool only.
No,
I don't care.
You're waiting for her to go. Why are you jumping? Another auntie.
You're not allowed only.
She's my mama today. I'm not liking it.
So we have Nicole here who's still waiting for Andrea to jump.
5, 6, 7. फिर से गलत था लास्ट टाइम गलत फिर से गलत इट्स गॉट योर ब्रेन आई नो
48 hours later.
6, 5, 6, 7.
Wow! Yeah!
Same level. Jump! Yes, very good. It was good. She's gone very far. Stop getting violent.
Is this the last day?
Bye guys, we are done. Hope you enjoyed. We enjoyed.
Please wear a mask.
And do not forget to like, share,